£2.97.
Spot on. Exactly what we need. Good size. Yeah. No, I'm definitely excited. Can't wait to get it. Definitely over the moon. Yeah, well, she's got her own room for the first time. Well, since she's been born, so that'd be great. And we'll actually get some sleep, hopefully.
I hope so.
But we've got extra privacy, got some stuff to put, you know, got all the storage.
She's happy as well.
She's definitely happy by the looks of it.
Should be able to crawl out.